Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to render analytics JSON with the accurate dates like this, in which date we does not have any views. On that date we are reflecting 0, and on the date where we have views we are only rendering that records. Here you can see on the 25 today it's 0, and here in 24 we have one view. Okay, now the topic is to create a donut chart for the representation of browser. As you can see, if I will create a query, from this analytical data I have information of browser, operating system, IP and location, and in the main analytics I have posts and their relevant views. Now we need to create a donut chart which is used to represent how many users used which browser. From here Google chart we can search for this donut chart, and here you can see how it's look alike. We can use as Mozilla, Firefox and different browsers name here, and that will be represent like this. For the demo purpose we are going to copy this relative code, but before that we are going to create a space here in the index. Here you can see in the index we are using this chart already. Now what we will do, we will add 6 column area here, 6 here and 6 here, like this. This is the main chart where we are rendering the views. Now we are going to create some rows here. In each row we can render multiple charts. The analytical chart will be of full row, and then we have two charts. One is donut chart and one is pie chart for different purposes. Now add here a row. Here we have 12 columns, and in that columns I will use this chart. Then I will create another row having 6th area, chart, browser, and that's it. Find this. Here you can see it is a declaration of analytical chart. Now I will copy this data, copy it and paste right after this. Okay, one thing more, here you can see we have different packages which are loading current, and here is the package. So collect these package at one place. Here you can see how these packages look alike. Then here we are setting the callback, and we have different names. We should need to differentiate this name. This is draw basic and this is draw chart, and in this I have these values, and this is representing this is the donut chart, so I'm going to replace it with chart browser, and that's it. And now once refresh the page and you can see the reflection of data here. Here you can see how it's look alike. Okay, If you need to see it more bigger, we can create a new tab here and represent the information. Okay. On the other hand, we can reduce the hole here and visualize more clearly like this. You can increase and decrease the hole. You can also inspect the source and see how it's look like. This is a 6 by 6 area. Here we have height and width, which we can increase by adding different values here. Right now we have a small values chart, that's why it's small. When we will populate it, it will get bigger automatically. In the next video, we are going to prepare SQL query by which we can generate data like this. I hope this is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.